Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about cute hair for girls. For sure, some cute haircuts for girls that go amazingly well with long boots or layered cuts, bob hairstyles, or even a trendy pixie cut if you are feeling bold. I think a layered haircut would look fantastic on everyone. It can add texture and volume to your hair, giving a stylish and versatile look that goes great with haircut. Plus, it's easy to maintain and style. Bobs are trendy, easy to style, and can give you a fresh and modern look. It's a classic choice that never goes out of style. So viewers, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video notification from me. Thank you.